Unable to touch the sky, a broken wing, no use to try. As clouds begin to gather, my dreams no longer seem to matter. O gentle shower, cool and refreshing, relieving all the pain, won't you cover my transgression with the forgiving morning rain? Shame tells me to run for shelter, humility pleads to surrender. Step out, let go, let love soak into your soul. O gentle shower, cool and refreshing, relieving all the pain, won't you cover my transgression with the forgiving morning rain? Dripping wet with unmerited grace, drops of love upon my face, as the heavens pour, seeping to my guilt-burdened core. O gentle shower, cool and refreshing, relieving all the pain, won't you cover my transgression with your forgiving morning rain? Where is the stain of past regret, all washed away with its effect? Renewal calls to come and dry. My wings are ready now to fly.